I'm bouncing in my Civic. I'm riding in my.
Alright, so let me grab grab the keys. Open up the trunk. So we can do a little quick measuring. Like I said, 2 15s in a box fit in this trunk, so it shouldn't be no issue. But yeah. This goddamn ruler got a limp dick. All right, hold on. Let me go get the other ruler. All right, back with the ruler. Break the ruler. So that's like 54 inches, like a 4-foot box will fit right there. I doubt that box is anywhere near 54 inches. So clearly, well, I guess ideally, I want the box to be anywhere from, see, 5. Like I said, of course, I don't want the box to be longer than it need to be. So anyway, that's about. So as long as the box ain't longer than 4 feet long, like I said, that box ain't that goddamn big. Can't be. It just holds 2 12s, right? Can't be. Pictures be deceiving though. So yeah, don't go get that speaker box for the 2 12s, even though I only got 1 12. Maybe we can find a 12 on OfferUp or something. Alright, so we headed to the ATM. Dude finally responded back. He didn't take forever like a lot of people, man. He clearly bought his paper. You know what I'm talking about? Clearly bought his paper, so. And I had hit his ATM, get his bread. And then, of course, like always, somebody else responded. He was like, yeah, I still got it. Send an address. And that was it, so. I'm gonna go get this other speaker box because it's say Memphis on it, okay? Even if I don't have no damn Memphis speakers in there, it say Memphis on it. Fucking dumbass people, man. Alright, I'll cut you on pulling up. Alright, so I'm trying to see what's over these speakers. See, so I have that one speaker in box, and then I didn't really already went and bought that other box. But now I don't really need that box if this box will work. And it got 2 speakers in it. And that other box is ported, and this one is sealed. So, let me see what they talking about. Alright, so we're just getting back from picking up the box. Pretty simple. I don't know how they had this. That in there. It looks like it's 2, so it's like, I guess you could say it's 2 ported boxes in one. Definitely not larger than the other one, but for the purposes of what we trying to use it for, it should be just fine. The hell? I didn't see that. I did not see that. You gotta make sure you check shit before you buy it, but I ain't tripping. It ain't shit to buy a terminal. What I just seen or noticed was this right here, how that's messed up or whatever, but we'll order a terminal for it and then be G to G. No biggie. G to G, no biggie. So we'll get this up in the car and go from there. Alright, so speaker box in there. We could probably center it or some shit like that. Yeah, so that'll be good there. And then make sure it'll close, which I'm sure it will. That ain't the box though. I don't think. This is dumbass. Yeah. That ain't the box. So it'll go in there, box will close. Or the trunk will close. We're good to go. And as far as the speaker, it says 150 watts at 4 ohms, which, if you think about it, really ain't a lot. So I'll just make sure that it'll sit off in there like that. It'll sit in there like that. Put some holes in it. I was trying to find another speaker on Amazon. Well, not Amazon, but trying to find another speaker on Marketplace, or 2 speakers on Marketplace. That was also the reason we was at the pawn shop. I was going to get them 2 that they had with the box, but I already had the box. You know what I mean? For 110 for those, probably wouldn't have been a bad deal. These is like a very entry level speaker here, so yeah. So I'm gonna see if I can find another one of these. I think the W302B.